Alright, so we're taking a look at some of the projects that we've made with this
Ender 3 and the
Ender 5 and talk about some of the experiences and some of the
modifications we've made and
issues and troubleshooting along the way.
We wanted to do another project to expand the skill set and to do something for Thanksgiving. And I'd already done the Gizzard Gary logo where we stuck the rifle on the chicken. So kind of going along with that theme, we took a turkey, and we'll have the link to it in the description. Found the 7.62 by 39 bullet, same thing, we'll have a link to that one. And then the old flintlock, and same thing, we'll have a link to that one. Then we took each of these and brought them into the Fusion 360 software. And originally here what I did was bring in the bullets and kind of lay them on top of the feathers, and that didn't work out too well. It was a giant file, so eventually went back and removed the feather in the Fusion software, and then added the bullets in place of the feathers instead of on top of the feathers. That worked a lot better, and it printed okay. However, I'm not great at this software yet, and I must have left some voids. And what happened during the print is there's a flat part on the kind of the back of the body there. So I don't know, the printer just didn't know what to do, I guess, or the slicer didn't know what to do and didn't do anything. So the rest of the print came out pretty decent, and it's okay. It took quite a while to print, so I don't plan on printing a bunch of these, but I think I will use this one as one of the free shot files to share when I create the account, and I haven't done that yet, so I'm not sure if I've done that yet when you're watching this video or not. But at some point, the plan is to, since I have the ability to repost this mashup or this combination of files, that's what I'll do. It won't happen before Thanksgiving, but it'll be there before Thanksgiving of next year. And if anybody wants it just as an interesting project, it'll be there available for you. So looking for some feedback. If you have any questions about stuff, that's what these videos are there to do, give you some insight as to how these things are created and how I'm creating them. If you've got any ideas or suggestions or tips or tricks, then I'm definitely interested. Use the comments wherever you're finding this video to start a conversation about either the software, the design, the follow through and the printing, or anything I might be missing. Alright, so thanks again for following along on our projects. We'll be watching for the comments wherever we post this. Until next time.